Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss some important aquatic species in news which are relevant for upcoming prelims exam. सबसे पहले घड़ियाल. So घड़ियाल is critically endangered. It is distinct from other crocodilians due to its long snout, as we can see. It lives in freshwater systems and found majorly in Chambal River, Girva River and Rapti Narayani rivers. Next is dugong sea cow. So it is a herbivorous marine mammal. It comes to surface to breathe. So it does not live in deep waters and is found in shallow waters only. Its IUCN status is vulnerable. Next is river dolphin species. Number 1 is Boto. So Boto is also called as Amazon river dolphin and it is found in Amazon river. Another dolphin which is found in Amazon river is Tucuxi. So it is smaller than Boto. Next is Baiji dolphin. It is found in Yangtze river. We can remember it by associating G and Z. Bulan dolphin, it is found in Bias and Indus rivers. Gangetic dolphin is found in Ganga river. Irrawaddy dolphin is found in Chilika lake. All of these dolphins except for Irrawaddy dolphin are found in fresh water, while Irrawaddy dolphin is found in brackish water. And all these are endangered. Next is Gangetic dolphin. So it was in news because in 2024, National Dolphin Research Center was established where? In Patna, Bihar. Another names for Gangetic dolphin is Susu, Shihu, Shushuk and Hihu. Gangetic dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. It is a freshwater species and it is functionally blind. So it relies on echolocation, that is sound waves, to find prey. Being a mammal, it cannot breathe in water and it comes to surface for air. Females are larger than males. It is found in Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna rivers and it is endangered. Next is Eurasian otter. So it was in news because first time radio tagging was done in Satpura Tiger Reserve, Madhya Pradesh. What are Eurasian otter? So they are basically semi-aquatic carnivorous mammal. They have webbed feet. Webbed feet mean joint feet. Fingers are joint. They have brown fur as we can see in the picture and they are adapted for aquatic life. They are elusive in nature, which means that they are not that easy to find and they remain solitary, not in groups. Eurasian otter are carnivorous as we can see they are eating fish in this picture. This otter is eating fish. They are found in Europe, Asia, Africa. In India, Eurasian otter are found in North, Northeast, South India and their IUCN status is near threatened. Next is Vaquita. So Vaquita was in news because recent surveys showed that there was decline in population. Its IUCN status is also critically endangered. Vaquita is a porpoise. What are porpoises? So they are basically cetaceans and cetacean include whales, porpoises and dolphins. Among these, porpoises are the smallest members. Vaquita means little cow in Spanish. Vaquita are also elusive in nature, which means they are rare to find. They communicate using echolocation. So Vaquita are found in Gulf of California and Mexico. Next is blue whale. So blue whale was seen in Seychelles. It is the largest and loudest animal and what it eats is krill. So what are krills? They are crustaceans like shrimp only and they are smaller than shrimps. They are found in all oceans except Arctic Ocean and their IUCN status is endangered. As we can see, blue whales are very giant as compared to humans. Next is sea anemone. So it was in news because there was incident of mass bleaching observed at Agatti Islet, Lakshadweep. Sea anemone belong to phylum Cnidaria. They are invertebrates, have soft bodies and they also have stinging cells. But these stinging cells are called nematocysts. तो ये क्या करते हैं? These cells contain small threads which are forcefully everted when they are stimulated and they are used for capturing prey and in defense. These sea anemones have symbiotic relationship with number of organisms such as clownfish, algae, and some species also have symbiotic relationship with hermit crabs. They are found where corals and live rocks are found. Next is Bettylepis chandrayani. So it is basically a new species of marine tardigrade which was found where southeast coast of Tamil Nadu. It was named after Chandrayaan 3. What are tardigrades? They are microscopic species. They are found. They are also known as water bears or moss piglets. As we can see, they resemble bears, so they are called water bears. Next, they are found in all oceans. Tardigrades have adapted to environmental stress by a process called cryptobiosis. What is cryptobiosis? It is a state in which metabolic activities come to standstill, and when conditions become favorable, this gets reversed. This is picture of a tardigrade. Next is sea cucumber. So they were in news because a research highlighted that they have important role in coral reef recovery. Sea cucumbers are marine animals and they belong to phylum Echinodermata. So what are echinoderms? They are echinoderms are organisms that have a special feature, that is, on outer surface they have spines or bumps covering the outer surface. Sea cucumbers are referred to as trash collectors of the reef. Why? Because they have a role in removing sediments and detritus from the coral beds. Basically, they play the role of decomposers. They have symbiotic relationship with star pearl fish. They're found in Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Another fact about sea cucumbers is that Lakshadweep has created world's first conservation area for sea cucumbers. Next is seaweed. So it was in news because Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, CMFRI, has been designated as Center of Excellence for Seaweed Cultivation. Seaweed includes species of marine plants and algae. They are used in food, medicine industries. They are found along India's coasts. Thank you.